welcome back. There's been a lot of changes since we last spoke. Let's see, the last time I posted anything had to be like November, December last year, 2021. And I honestly have been trying my hardest to post on a consistent basis since then, but life started getting in the way, honey. It is very hard to keep up with your social media life and your personal life, especially if you're a parent. So I got a few videos ready to go for you guys. So after this, we're gonna be back on a consistent basis. I got a lot of information now. I know exactly what you guys want to see, and I know what you guys want to do. So we're gonna get it done because I owe you, man. I didn't want to just post one video and have y'all waiting a long time. So, well, I haven't done a shout out in a while, so I want to give some energy to my neighbors. The Spot Auto Spa. Check them out on Instagram at The Spot Auto Spa. They really do a good job. They do hand wash, detailing, tinting. They do wraps. I love a nice shiny car. Talking about something, oh man, they do a really good job. I love it. I'm trying to tell you, if you want your car to look good, that's the place to be. I really appreciate you guys and your patience with me. I'm a headache in some cases, I know that. But you know, life is just always so unpredictable, and we have to be okay with that. And I am okay with that. And clearly you're okay with that because you're back and you're here for me. Now, the lock extension video, the braid method, I missed a major step. So we're gonna talk about it right now. Let's go. At the time of this video, I didn't know about the backcombing step. And so I forgot to backcomb. It's a very important step. It's important to the application, the finished look, and the life expectancy of the lock. Originally, I said to coil down and leave the ends loose and begin to braid the lock extension in. I had you guys coiling down entirely too far. Now that I know better though, this is how it's done. Begin by sectioning the hair to fit the number of locks your client wants, or as close as you can get to that number to fit the client's head with respect to the diameter of the extension. Comb twist the root. You only need to comb twist about 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches, and then clip it away, just like a retwist. Do this to the entire head and then sit your client under the dryer for about 20 minutes to set the comb twist. Next, we're going to remove the clips, and row by row, we're going to back comb each lock. Back combing is very simple. Grab the section firmly and place your comb just under your comb twist and push the comb up and towards the scalp. Gently loosen your grip with each stroke of your comb until the hair is bushed and matted together like this. Now we can braid the lock in. Literally every step after this is the same. I forgot to record the braiding close up, but if you need further instruction on how to braid the lock in, please feel free to check out the previous video on the braid method. It goes into detail about how to braid in the locks. After the extension is braided in, take a small amount of the bulk hair, wrap the lock like so, and begin to crochet the hair in. When you're wrapping your bulk hair, be sure to wrap the hair around the braid, a little bit into the client's hair and a little bit into the extension to ensure a strong anchor. And that's pretty much it. My previous videos on lock extension, the wrap method covered a lot about what the crochet needle is doing and what you want your finished your finished crochet to feel like. And the previous braid video talks a lot about how to braid the lock in with detail.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is
And now that I'm done crocheting, I'm going to take the area that I just crocheted and I'm going to palm it. And then I'm going to push the hair out of place. And whatever moves out of place, we're going to snip it. And then we're finished.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Thanks again for all your support and your patience with me. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like and share this video and subscribe and turn those bell notifications on because I'm done. Okay, bye.